Ooh. Really? Those rain showers. Ooh. There it is. Look at the wind, people. Look at that. It is storming like crazy. We have high winds, very high winds. Very high winds. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my Lord. Are we in a derecho again? Step back just a little bit. Wow. That's hail. Lots of hail. Nope. Just hit myself in the face. Huh? I've got a lot of good footage. Woo! Wow! Temperature has dropped dramatically. Jason, barely shut the door. That's a fucking derecho.
I had to close the door.
Did you go out there and turn off that?
I took everything. I'm so looking at me.
Oh my God, that's a derecho.
Oh, I can't hold the
Yeah,
door.
you can, I couldn't hold your.
Shit.
Holy shit.
I can't even see. Look at this. Oh, this is bad. Let's look at the front. Come here. Come down here.
Oh, you should. I got some good footage now.
Come down here. We can see out here a little.
Holy shit. That's.
Well, my trees are still standing. You can see a lot
I'm
better out here.
surprised. Wow.
I wonder if they put out like honey a on the honey.
Well, if they are, they're not going to be very happy. Wow. That was unexpected. Let's Well, I didn't expect that. But I heard the fire truck going. I just wonder if like lightning struck something. Well, that's our much needed rain.
Oh yeah, I bet my attic's flooded. Guess what? The guy that was supposed to fix it, I see him standing in the bar. Oh my gosh, Sean feels so bad. I go, what happened to you, motherfucker? And he raised his shirt up. He'd been stabbed by his wife.
Oh shit!
It had to be airlifted. I said, I got a bone to pick with you. I said, he goes, evidently, everybody got some brain.
Storm chasing kitty.
But she stabbed him in the chest.
Well.
There was like 5 different big, I thought right here, 5 big stab wounds. That's where they had tubes going in them.
Jeez.
Wow. Oh, well. Take that over.
Yeah. That was some intense wind, and we're back. Plenty of water. Still quite a bit of lightning. Herrin, Illinois. Lots of water coming down the gutters. My truck, along with my bicycle, is doing really well. Getting the wash. Well, I don't see anything down. Intense. This has been a good day. Went 20 miles of cycling and then storm chasing. I'm about to eat some pretty damn good food. A little loud, huh, people? Back up a little out of the water.